Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Economy below full employment means one move should push output back up fast. And this question is really asking which change boosts aggregate demand enough. The economy starts in short-run equilibrium, but output is still below full employment. So there is a recessionary gap, and the fix must increase total spending, not shrink it. To get back to long-run equilibrium in the short run, aggregate demand needs to shift right, so real output rises toward full employment output, which closes that recessionary gap. Since aggregate demand includes investment spending, increasing investment directly raises aggregate demand and output, so that policy change matches the needed direction. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given condition below full employment. Then check which change raises aggregate demand.